Behind the lines for Qual 15. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 15 officially underway here at the New England Robotics Derby. It is quite the autonomous period we have going on currently. We've got algae being thrown both in and out of the stadium up into the barge for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance is going to try to make it 2 and 2 as we move into our teleoperated period. Robots are going to come alive. Students are going to take control. As our robots move into our teleoperated period, this is where the students are going to grab their controllers and start bringing their robots to life to try to score some points as best they can. First over to the reef for the Red Alliance is going to be 11-19, along with their partners 11-53. You're going to get themselves lined up to place a couple coral onto the reef. They'll go for the top row. Slicing that on there is 24-23, the Quarks, with their partners 11-19 coming from behind to get level 3 as their partners, the Timberwolves, are going to start making short work of the barge for the Red Alliance. Back on the other side of the field, Team 157 is first to the processor zone for the Blue Alliance. Going to try to work on that cooperation bonus to start scoring a couple points as best they can, as their partners 91-01 are going to place another coral up onto level 4 of the Blue Alliance reef. Looks like their partners Scrap maybe hanging out dead in the water on the field. They'll have about a minute and a half left to go before the end of this match to see if they can get rocking and rolling. Back on the Red Alliance side of the field, 11-19, their partners 11-53. The two twins from Walpole making them quite the trips back and forth between the reef and their human feed station to try to fill up that reef with coral. They've almost completed the entirety of level 4. Can they make progress on levels 3 and 2? Red Alliance has a slight advantage when it comes to coral. Looks like we finally have scores back on the board. It's a Red Alliance advantage of 115-48 with about 40 seconds left to play. All 3 Red Alliance robots go to retrieve a piece of coral. All 3 Red Alliance robots are going to bring it back successfully to the reef. Whereas on the Blue Alliance side, looks like 157, the Aztecs, have taken control of the algae for the barge, placing that up on in there as we wind down to our final 20 seconds here. This means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to start shifting their focus over towards the barge and start climbing the cages on the sea floor. Let's see who can bubble up towards the surface. Looks like we got all 3 Red Alliance robots engaged. Can we see Red Alliance robots off the ground? Looks like we've got 2 up, 11:53 to 11:19 as we wind down with 3, 2, 1, and time expires. We'll be back with your official results of match number 15 in just a moment. We've got your results for match number 15 coming up on the board. Taking home the big fish of the morning is going to be the Red Alliance. They're walking home with the win with a score of 154-65. Great job to the Red Alliance. They're walking home with 5 ranking points. They've got 3 for the win, 1 for the auto, and 1 for the